going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back with another Copart walk around. We're out here at the sublot this time. We're going to jump right into this. Well, as you can see, we're in the truck section, so it's going to be a big, heavy Chevy. Number one on my list, a 2009 Chevy 2500 heavy duty. She's got the Vortec. Yep. What do you think? A 6.0, right? 157,000 miles on the odometer. Ooh, boy, it's been a hard 157,000 miles, hasn't it? Oh my God. Wow. Okay, well, you know, it's a work truck, right? It's oh man, was it a work truck. Look at that. She is tore up something fierce. Of course, you got your four-wheel drive down there. She's a hot mess, guys. She's a hot mess. Golly. I wonder if this is salvaged. She's got pretty good tires, though. Bed liner is all peeling. This thing has been rode hard and put away wet. That is a fact. Hail. It's hail. It's full of hail on this side. Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is going to be a salvage from hail damage. Such low miles, though. Honestly, 157,000 miles is not that big of a deal. It wouldn't concern me. She's got good tires all the way around. Look at the tread on those things, man. Real nice. Big old heavy ranch hand bumper. It's always fun with these bumpers trying to get under and open the hood. Here's that Vortec. Let's take a look and see, is it a 6.0? 6.2? It's going to be a 6.0. Yeah, she's a 6 liter. 6.0 baby. She looks real clean under there. Real clean. Let's see if she wants to run. This is a run and drive. It's still a nice truck. I mean, let me take that back. It's not a nice truck. This is not a nice truck. What it is, though, it's a good work truck. I mean, that's what this thing has been its whole life. It's perfect for this. You got your look at that. You even got your headache rack. I didn't even see this. Big old headache rack. All right, she's got power too. It's a work truck floor mats and everything. Poor old girl, man. I feel bad for these work trucks. They get put through it, man. They get put through it. Let's see. You ready? Yeah, she fired right up, man. She fired right up. She's ready. She's ready to work. How about that? This is, guys, okay, it's got some hail damage, but this is when you could get in and put it to work immediately. Like today, right now. You can get in this thing and go to work. 100%. Another thing that I'm really enjoying about this is if you look at the gauges, the only light we got on is tire pressure. Nothing else. No ABS lights. There's no check engine lights. And because we didn't have to jump start it, fired up on its own, any code should still be stored in its memory. So there you go. I like that we have the old school, you know, yeah. Old school four-wheel drive, man. I like that. Manually, you don't have all those solenoids and everything and vacuum lines and crap, electronics that go bad. None of that stuff, man. You want four-wheel drive? Just throw her into 4x4 right there. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. She goes right into gear. Forward, absolutely. Backward, absolutely. All right, air conditioning, right? We got to check the air conditioning. I heard the compressor. I already tell you air conditioning's gonna work. Does the important window work? Oh, well, yeah, that's gonna be, yep. The important window works, guys. Got your old school crank window right there. Got your trailer brakes right here. Very nice, automatic headlights, cruise control. She's got everything you need, man. If the radio works, and it does, the radio works. Look at that. Air is getting cold, taking a little bit. It's a little slow. There she is. There she is, good and cold now. Somebody's taking care of the oil changes. Yep, Top Tech Automotive in Norman was doing it. 157 and change. 157.8 is when it's due. I think it's sitting right about that right now. She needs a windshield. She does sound good though, man. Power locks, manual windows. Let's take a listen to that Vortec there. Listen to her purr, man. Guys, it's a hell of a truck right here. Hell of a truck. She's ready. She is ready to go to work. Look at that thing, man. She looks aggressive. I wouldn't want to be in the way of this truck. I wouldn't. Got the running boards and everything too, man. All right. Well, that's going to wrap it up for number 1 on my list. Let's see what's next. Next on my list is a car that I wouldn't expect to go for much. It's a 2014 Dodge Avenger with 79,000 miles on the odometer. I don't know why this is here. It's listed as a run and drive. It's an insurance car, which means it's probably going to be hail. She's got some good tires. Hercules. They got to be good tires if they're named Hercules, man. That's all I got to say. She's a slick-looking little car, guys. What do we got over here? That's not a Hercules. That's a Crosswind. That's a HP 010 Plus. Hail damage. Oh, there it is. There it is. She's loaded with hail damage. Yeah, she's got a lot of hail damage. Crosswind, then we got Hercules. That's all right, though. That's all right. We're going to look at this one here in a little bit, too, maybe. Maybe that'll be a different video. I don't know. But 79,000 miles, who cares about hail damage, right? It's an Avenger. Yeah, I know. I know a lot of people really hate these Dodge Avengers. I've always loved them, especially if you can get them with the V6. That was the money right there. That V6 was bad. Well, yeah, it was. But you got a little hail damage, man. You got to replace the windshield. This one has the, what is it under the hood of this? A 2.4? Pretty sure this is a 2.4. And, guys, with 80,000 miles on the odometer, this car has a whole nother 3,000 miles left in it. At least another 3,000 miles left in this bad boy. You'll get your money's worth on this. I gotta stop hating on it, man. I'm really kind of just messing around, guys. I really like this car. I really enjoy this car. I've always thought they were good-looking vehicles. Some people will disagree, and that's fine. But, you know, under the hood, she's clean. I mean, dusty, but clean and free of oil and grease and all of that stuff. We got a high-dollar Fram oil filter under there. Yeah, we're just not gonna mess with that. Let's leave that alone. Oil. This looks pretty good. She's golden. This is decent, guys. And you know what the best part is? You can actually still check the transmission fluid on one of these. Looks pretty good. You know, it's not bright pink, but I mean, it's not black or dark brown or anything. It actually looks pretty decent. I gotta get my jump pack. So let's hook that up and then we'll fire it up, see what it sounds like. Are we ready to see what it does? Well, I don't know about you, but I am. Uh-oh. Come on, don't be a typical Dodge. There we go. There we go. All right, there you go. She sounds real good. I'm gonna close this door real quick. Let's test out that important window. It does work. How about a window a little less important? It works as well. Uh-oh, it's dinging. Well, the battery is totally dead on this, guys. I mean, the battery is really dead. Let's put this on here. Let's check the air conditioning. Then we'll go out and take a listen to the engine. I'm sure the AC works just fine. Someone was changing the oil. It's got a Walmart oil change sticker on it. Let's go ahead and put it in gear. Backwards, yes. Forwards, yeah, no issue at all, man. The thing is, I don't expect this car to go for a lot of money. I really don't. This is not a hot commodity item, guys. This is not a car that everybody is looking to get their hands on. It's just not. Alternator's charging. Good deal. All right. Yeah, she's not a hot commodity item. A lot of people are kind of scared of these cars. They definitely weren't known for their reliability. But personally, I like them. I do. I don't know what it is about it exactly. I just think I think it's an aggressive looking sedan. It's a four-door You don't say. Here we are trying to tell everybody you don't have to be scared of these cars. These are decent cars. The damn thing shuts off on me. I'm gonna say most likely it's the battery. And if I remember correctly, doesn't the battery sit way under here? You gotta like remove the fender liner, pull out the bumper. Where is that battery? Yeah, well, you can't see it, I doubt it, but it's way down in there. The battery's probably just super dead. Needs to be charged up a little bit. Anyway, let's go ahead and finish taking a look at it. I'm not gonna jump it again. We know it runs, we know it goes into gear. It's got 4 good tires. They have good tread on them. The interior's a little dirty, but overall not too bad. It's really not. Headliner looks good as well. The body's decent aside from a little bit of hail damage. And as I said, on a cheap car like this, are you really going to worry about the hail damage? Personally, I'm not. If I'm looking at a car like this, I'm looking at a beater, really. But I would say this would fall into a category, you know, better than a beater. You know, this is like a beater with a heater and an air conditioner. Yeah, this is not a beater, guys. A little bit of hail damage, but honestly, nice little car. Once you get that battery sorted, either replace it or get it charged up. This is nice. This is nice. This makes somebody, some family, a really good little car, man. With that, let's move on to number 3. That's right, it's thumbnail time, and this one might fool you if you don't give it a real good look around. So we'll start out over here and tell you it's a 2016 Toyota Camry. How much could be wrong with it, right? It's not that old. It's a little old, but not that old. I'll tell you, she's got a Firestone on the front, Primewell on the back, hail damage on the top. This car is rocking all of it, guys. She's got quite a bit of hail damage. Very common for, unfortunately, most cars out here, guys, take your pick. Most cars out here, they're gonna have hail damage. They will. I wanted to come and look at this one, even though there's just a little bit of damage up front. There's not that much. See, look at the car right next to it. Hail damage. Yeah, hail damage. You could pick almost any car out here, man, and it's gonna have hail damage. I know about this damage. What I couldn't tell from the pictures, even when I put it in high def mode, was how far this damage actually went. This, ooh, right there, that's what I wanted to see. In the pictures, it looked like this was a reflection of the rocks, and it's not. There's a bunch of dents and waves, so this door probably just needs to be replaced. There's a little bit of damage in the dog leg there. That's not too bad. A little bit of scrapage on the back bumper. Again, not too bad. A Firestone there and a Firestone there. So it's just got one mismatched tire. This door took a little bit of damage here. And it just took a little more damage here. And a lot more right there. So that door's done. That door's done. That fender's done. From the pictures, though, it didn't look like the fender apron was damaged at all, and that's really what I want to see. Doors are no big deal, guys. Doors are no big deal. Whoa. They are when you're not careful opening them when they're broken, because they can come back and get you. We got power, too. Real dirty interior, though. Real dirty. 88,000 miles. She doesn't smell good. This one is not going to drive out of here. Okay, obviously, this one's not going to drive out of here. Look at this hood. Hood doesn't want to open either. It's bent up. Come on. Oh no. Well, this is stuck. You know what else? Look at this. Look. Oh, wow. This bumper. This whole bumper is falling off. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get under that hood, guys. So obviously I know we got suspension damage under here. This wheel is done. She took some damage as well. The tire's still good though, so there you go. So we're looking at fender liner, bumper, the suspension components under here, most likely a broken ball joint or something, lower control arm, maybe sway bar end link, tie rod or two, fender, door. And we have hail damage, and it's had a pretty rough 80,000 miles taking a look at this thing. Now, it does come with some free money. All right, so I guess technically as soon as you as soon as you buy it, you're already coming out ahead. Let's put the key in and see what it does. I can't get that hood open. She runs. And we'll see if any check engine lights or anything come on. Door ajar. Yeah, that's true. All right. Not bad. It really does stink in here, though. Important window works. Less important window. Child lock was on. Window lock was on. Okay, works. Very nice. What do we got in here? We got quarters. Look, I'm telling you guys, look at all the money. I wonder, not that I would ever do it, but if I came to Copart and I just took all the change I've ever found in the cars home with me, I wonder if I'd be rich yet. Because there's a lot of change in these cars. Yep, reverse. Backup camera works. She goes backwards. Forwards. Of course she goes forward. She's a Toyota, man. Oh wow, they left a few things in the glove box there, didn't they? Including a Samsung S21 Ultra. There's an S21 Ultra left in this car. Oh man, no, there's not. Come on, you guys knew there wasn't going to be a phone left in there, right? Yeah. Okay, you know, it's a little rough. It's a little rough. Is it worth all the work that's going to need to be done to it? I don't know. Let's take a look and see if this front wheel turns here. It does. A little crunchy, but it turns. So we know the tie rods are still intact. What about air conditioning? Let's turn it on max AC. Let's see what that does. I'm sure the AC works, guys. This thing needs one hell of a cleaning, though. Like, this is a mess. This car is really, it's really a mess. They left all kinds of stuff in here, too. They didn't take nothing with them. They're like, nope, we wrecked it. We're done with it. Moving on. Sunglasses, maybe? Nope, no sunglasses. Can we find some money? Maybe some dollar bills? No dollar bills. I wouldn't take them anyway, guys. I don't take nothing from these places. Not worth it. Not worth it. That's stealing, man. It's stealing. And if you think I'm gonna lose my ability to come do these walkarounds over some change, that ain't gonna happen. That ain't gonna happen. Well, there you go, guys. I guess it's up to you. What do you think? Is she worth saving, or is she dead as a doornail? Personally, I'm not interested. That's it. Short, sweet, to the point, guys. We are out of here. Thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Till next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.